What's up, Shogun Clan? Today we're going to be showing you how to mix Shogun Katana roots. Step 1.
Take a small container and add plain water. Step 2. Take your Katana roots bottle and shake well. Step 3. Add at the recommended rate on the feed chart. Remember, mix well. Step 4. You can choose to add in Shogun starch as well, which should accelerate growth within young plants. All you have to do is take Shogun starch, shake well, and add at the recommended rate on the feed chart. If you do not have Shogun starch, don't worry, just skip this step. Step 5. Take propagation plugs and add to your solution. Let them soak for about 15 minutes. Step 6. Take the propagation plugs out of your solution and place back into the tray.
You can give the plugs a shake, but not a squeeze.
You can now start seeding those plugs and use the rest of the solution to water as the plugs lose moisture. But if you want to use Katana during veg or flower, you want to get your tank and fill with your base nutrients. We have a video on how to do this on our website. Shake the Katana bottle well and measure the recommended dose on the feed chart. Then add this to your solution. Remember, mix well. Your solution is now ready to feed to your plants.